This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Well, we're back home in the house. Unfortunately, I don't have time to go outside. It's just a weekend. Sorry if there's some background noise. But yes, the ID7 GTX Tourer was actually fast and spec. It's supposed to be 5.5 seconds, didn't even 5.3 roughly. So it's heavier than the rear-wheel drive. It has 340 horsepower. And then if you look further down here, you see this is the ID5 GTX, but this is before the ABRP 550 motor. So that's roughly 6 seconds. 299 horsepower, and then further down here we have the rear-wheel drive. This is the ABRP 550 rear-wheel drive. See, 6.3 seconds, so around 1 second slower than the all-wheel drive. Actually, when I tested this ID7 rear-wheel drive, I was quite impressed how fast it felt still for a rear-wheel drive, you know, and only 286 horsepower is roughly the same as BMW iX3. Yeah, it's here. The iX3 is actually a little bit slower. Same as 285 horsepower. So yeah, so it's fast enough, at least. Yeah, if you go for the GTX. When it comes to noise, it's right down here. Slightly worse than the. I'm not sure which ID7 this was, but. Continental White Contact 7, the 8 should be better, right? It was even wet, so 19-inch wheels, here 20-inch wheels. But still, you know, around 65 decibel is good. Roughly on par with many of the other cars in the high end here. But okay, not as good as some of the best German cars or the Chinese cars, but overall, I think it performs well. It's not the fastest car out there. It's not the quietest car out there, but it's quiet enough so you can enjoy it. It's fast enough so you can enjoy it. I think it was never meant to be the fastest or the quietest, but for that kind of money, you know, this GTX cost 600k NOK. Pretty much fully loaded. Okay, it lacks a little bit anhang-koppling and some stuff, but for 600 NOK for that big, comfortable family car with DCC and the awesome headlights and all the other stuff, it's actually a bargain, yeah. So I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.